Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you could quickly clean up your Google Calendar because I know at the beginning of a school year it looks chaotic. I know I'm looking at my Google Calendar and I'm seeing all these classes from last year and I don't want them on this year's my calendar list. So I'm going to show you a quick way to clean those up so you can start your year off fresh. You could just click up here in the top right corner, there's a little gear, and that'll take you to a menu and you want to click on settings. When you're on your settings menu, basically all you have to do is go down and pick the calendar you want to get rid of. So this is a class from last year, and that Google Calendar or Google Classroom automatically generates. So I want to get rid of that. I'm not going to use that class anymore. So I am going to come down here to the bottom of the settings menu for this calendar, and I'm going to hit delete. That means I'm erasing it for everybody, for the students and for myself or any teachers associated with this, because I'm archiving that Google Classroom, so it doesn't matter. So you're just going to delete and permanent delete, and it is now gone from your list. You continue with all your classes. Scroll down until you see delete and permanently delete. Now, if somebody's added you to a Google Calendar that you no longer want to be a part of, especially if like you move from upper school to lower school or something like that, different groups, you don't have to necessarily so if I want to get rid of something, instead of deleting it because I'm not maybe the owner of it, I could unsubscribe. And unsubscribing means that I don't want to see that calendar anymore on my list. I don't need it anymore. I'm not part of that team anymore, whatever. But the owner of it still will manage that calendar for everybody else who's part of it. I'm just not going to see that calendar. So that's another option as well. So delete is to delete it totally for everybody. Unsubscribe is to unsubscribe it for you only. And you're going to just continue doing that for any other calendars that you don't want to be a part of anymore. And once you go back here, then your calendar list will be nice and neat and ready for new calendars to be added when you create new Google Classrooms. Hope you enjoy that tip. Thanks.